Dodge Ram pickup. Broken tie rod, damage in the front. Sweet. Let's see if it'll roll. If not, I'll put the skate. Okay. Keys here. Alright. As soon as I got it off the market alarm. See that forklift? Just blasted an overpass with that. Okay, so this gate wants to be annoying. I mean, not this gate, but that wheel doesn't want to turn with the truck. So what we do is put the skate in front of this one. It'll get stuck on that, hopefully, and slide. This is why I leave windows open. Make sure that one's steering too. Okay. Now I can steer it with the other side, and this one will just flow with it. I don't want to keep getting out to keep adjusting the wheel. Okay. Go back a little bit. strap. What's gonna suck? Oh God, I'm on all the straps. Alright, okay, this is the card for the company, the tow company. That's the body shop. This is our card. Yeah, this is our card for the towing, and that's the shop for the body shop where it's going. Just be careful because you're in the middle of the street. All right, you're good. All right, brother, do me a favor, go on the sidewalk because I gotta go down. We'll go to the sidewalk. Oh, yeah. Ha! That's funny. The key to my tow truck actually turned the key to the pickup truck. See? That's funny. My key turned it. I wonder if my key would actually turn the whole car on. Yeah. See if I clear it now. Move those out of the way. No, the window's open. Now that that's out of the way, let's try it again. Alright, now we'll go back a little bit so we can get the skate out. Okay. Yep, much better. That reminds me of, oh, I'll tell you a second. I don't know if you watch Fab Rats, but it reminded me of what he says. We do it nice because you do it twice. Oh man, that's funny.
We got this little saying at my shop. We do it nice because we do it twice. That's it. So here we go.
Yeah, if you don't know Fab Rats, they awesome channel to watch. They do a lot of custom fabrications, rock crawler stuff. Real cool channel to watch. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to check him out. But yeah, he always says that, and it's so funny. We do it nice because we do it twice. Alright. Speed back. Hi. Hi. Thank you. I absolutely love these 8-point tie downs. If you need to get a set, you're looking to get a set for yourself, check out Bear Motion. Sam from Bear Motion has really good deals on them. Also, you can choose, you know, different colors. Like I chose black straps because any other time I've had a different color, they just get dirty so fast. I feel like they're good if you are moving like exotics and cars are like brand new and your bed's never dirty and the cars are never dirty. As you can see, mine are black with the red dog bones, but had I got another color, they'd probably be black by now. But yeah, you can check out Bear Motion. A lot of cool stuff there. And I use them for everything. I use them for cars, trucks. I use them for toolboxes. I bought the longer ones, and they work out great. And they're easy to use. You don't have to worry about damage claims, like somebody saying, hey, you hooked up my car and you tied it down with the chains and ripped out the whole bottom of the floor and all that crap. What is it? Yeah, I don't know if you're like me. I don't know if you call it OCD or what, but my straps always have to be like straight, smooth. I don't like my straps to be like twisted. Oh, like that's gonna bother me. That was loud. Sounds like a Mopar. What's that, a Jeep? Alright, we're good to go. Vehicle is secured. And now heading back to Staten Island. Guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions or any videos you want me to make for you on a particular thing, just let me know. Leave it in the comments.